Have you ever felt that rush when you inhale smoke as if the world suddenly sharpens? That's nicotine surging through your veins, hijacking your brain's reward system. In that moment, dopamine floods your circuitry, whispering a promise of relief, focus, and comfort. But just as quickly as the high arrives, it vanishes, leaving you hollow, craving another drag to fill the void. Nicotine mimics acetylcholine, binding to receptors and triggering dopamine releases far beyond natural rewards. Your first cigarette of the day feels like a miracle. Stress evaporates, anxiety recedes, and for a brief spell, you believe you're in control. Yet dopamine isn't a satisfaction chemical, it's a seeking signal. It pulls you forward, urging you to chase that fleeting pleasure again and again. Soon enough, tolerance builds. Your brain adjusts to the constant presence of nicotine, demanding larger doses just to hit the same plateau. The chase intensifies. Cravings claw at your focus. Withdrawals shadow your mood. And the emptiness that follows each smoke only grows. You tell yourself just one more, but deep down you know it's never just one. The cycle becomes relentless. Chase the dopamine high, crash into emptiness, chase again. Why do so many of us stay trapped in this cycle, even when we promise ourselves we'll quit? It's not a moral failing, it's biology. Nicotine rewires neural pathways, reinforcing habits and creating a loop that's hard to escape. Every time you light up, those pathways strengthen, making the next cigarette feel like a necessity rather than a choice. Withdrawal symptoms, irritability, restlessness, anxiety, kick in within hours of your last puff, driving you back to the pack. Even if you muster enough willpower to stop for a day, those persistent cravings linger, taunting you with memories of your last hit. But there is a way out. 2 practical steps that can break the cycle and reclaim your sense of self. The first step is setting clear, intentional boundaries. Start by carving out smoke-free windows in your day-morning routines without cigarettes, afternoons without cravings. Turn off notifications and remove all smoking cues from your environment. No ashtrays by the door, no lighter on the kitchen counter. By reducing exposure to triggers, you give your brain the chance to adjust without constant reminders of nicotine. These smoke-free pockets create breathing room for your mind, allowing cravings to diminish over time. The second step is replacing the habit with healthier alternatives. Nicotine replacement therapies, patches, gum, lozenges, can ease the withdrawal symptoms without the harmful smoke. Beyond that, find simple activities that redirect your focus. When you crave a cigarette, take a brisk walk around the block. Chew sugar-free gum, hold a stress ball, or practice a 2-minute breathing exercise. Engage in hobbies that demand your attention, sketching, journaling, or even playing a musical instrument. These actions spark natural dopamine releases, smaller but more sustainable, helping your brain relearn what real satisfaction feels like. Quitting isn't about sheer willpower, it's about understanding the dopamine loop and making intentional choices to dismantle it. When the nicotine rush fades and the dust settles, you face a decision: surrender to the craving or step into a new pattern of living. This is your chance to break free from the chemical grip, one deliberate choice at a time.